In this video, I'll show you how to create a search bar in Excel. We'll build the functionality, add some styling, and highlight matching results. Let's get started. On the right, I have a small sample table for this tutorial. The first step is creating the search box, which requires the Developer tab. If you don't see it, right-click at the top of Excel and open the ribbon Customization settings. Scroll down, check the Developer option, and click OK. Go to Insert and choose a text box from the ActiveX Controls section. Draw the control on the worksheet. Then right-click it and open Properties. Find linked cell and enter B2. This means that anything typed into the search box will automatically be stored in cell B2. Let's test it. Turn off design mode and type a few characters into the box. To see what's happening behind the scenes, turn design mode back on and move the text box slightly to the side. Notice that B2 contains the exact same text. Move the text box back into place and turn off design mode so we can continue. Let's clear the text from the search box for now. Next, copy the headers from the original table and paste them here. This is where the filtered results will appear. It's time to add the formula. We'll use the filter function. The first argument is the array, which is the range we want to return. In this case, that's the entire table without the headers. For the include argument, we'll use ISNUMBER combined with search. Search looks for the text, while ISNUMBER converts the result into true or false for filter. For the text we're searching for, select cell B2, which is linked to the search box. For the second argument, choose the column you want to search through. We'll start with full name, since search works with one column at a time. Close the parentheses and add a message in quotes that will appear when no matches are found. Press Enter. Let's test it. When I type a name into the search box, the matching record appears instantly. Everything is working as expected. Let's make the search a little more powerful by adding a second column. To do that, copy the first ISNUMBER section, add a plus sign, and paste it right after it. Then replace the search range with the department column. That's it. The search box can now find matches by either name or department. You can keep adding more columns the same way if needed. Next, let's give the search box a cleaner look. Go to Insert, then Illustrations, and choose Shapes. Select the rounded rectangle. Then draw it on the worksheet. To increase the corner radius, drag the yellow handle until the shape is fully rounded. Let's add a gradient fill. Open Shape Fill, choose Gradient, and then select more gradients. Set up a gradient that goes from white to light gray. Click each gradient stop and choose the colors you'd like to use. For the outline, reduce the weight a little. Then choose a lighter color. The shape should sit behind the search box. Open Shape Format and select Send to Back. Let's adjust the text box as well. Enable Design Mode from the Developer tab. Then move and resize it to fit the new design. Let's add an icon. Go to Insert, choose Icons, and type Search. Choose the magnifying glass and insert it. Resize and position it where you'd like. Then open Graphics Format, go to Fill, and choose a gray color. To finish the design, go to the View tab and turn off grid lines. We now have a clean and minimal search bar. Next, let's highlight the matching results. Select the range that contains the filtered data. Go to Conditional Formatting and create a new rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. From the drop-down, select Specific Text. Enter a reference to cell B2 and make it absolute by adding $signs. Open Format and choose a green fill color. That's it. Let's test it. Perfect. The matching values are now highlighted. The text inside the search box is a little hard to read, so let's make it wider. Turn on Design Mode and simply stretch it a bit. That looks much better. I don't like that all the records are visible before anything is entered, so let's hide them. We'll make a small change to the formula. Start with the if function. If B2 is empty, return nothing. Otherwise, return the filter formula. Add one more closing parenthesis at the end. Press Enter. Now the table starts out empty. As soon as I type something into the search box, the results appear automatically. Let's add one more visual touch. Select the filtered data range and create another conditional formatting rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. This time, select No blanks from the list. Open Format and go to the Borders tab. Then choose Outline. Now when we search, the results appear as a table with borders. The outline expands and shrinks automatically to match the number of results. One final tip. What if your source data is stored on a different worksheet? Cut the table using Ctrl+X. Create a new sheet and paste it there. Notice that everything still works. Excel automatically updated the references in the formula. Let's take a look. You can see that the referenced range has changed automatically. If needed, you can also update it manually. Just change the references in these 3 places and everything will continue to work. That's it for this tutorial. I'll leave the formulas in the description below. Thanks for watching.